Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is again your mommy Spike. It's been a long time that I have been filming for you guys, so forgive me. I was really busy the last couple of weeks and there are a lot of things that personally has been going through. Our video for today is we will be dyeing our hair. I bought these two packs from Watson's earlier today, and this is a Glam. It's a long-lasting color according to the packaging. This is a permanent hair dye color, and this is under the shade light brown. And as you can see guys, I have dark hair, so let me just show you my hair very closely. So this is the color of my hair. I think I can't remember the last time when I had my hair dyed. I have filmed hair coloring before using Hair Fix coloring shampoo. As we speak, it has more than 1,000 views already, so thank you so much for those who have watched the video. That is actually one of the first videos that I have filmed while I was starting my vlog, and it has obviously some quality issues because I wasn't using a very nice camera, so I was just using a cell phone camera, and the camera wasn't as high quality as the one I'm using now. So yeah, and I think that was the last time I had my hair dyed, and yeah, we'll see. I have long hair. It is until at least my chest area, so I'm not sure if I will be using both of these, but I purchased two anyways, so if in case one of them is not enough for my hair, then we will be using the second one. So let me just go outside guys so you can clearly see what my hair color is. I'm actually in a hotel right now, but yeah, it has some light brown over here, but majority it's black. Okay, so let me just go back. Glam permanent hair dye color can transform the hair color in just one wash. It gives your hair a brand new look for a brand new you. So hair color guide, so it has a hair color guide at the back. As you can see, my hair is dark, and this is 30 ml guys. Let me just open it, and the instruction is inside. So obviously step 1 is to unpack and cut the hair dye color sachet in the corner. Squeeze it into the glove, ham, and mix. Keep it on your hair for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep it longer in case of oily hair. My hair is a little bit oily actually because I wasn't able to take a bath earlier today because our water did not work, and my flight was very early, so I wasn't able to take a bath. And then apply the mixture evenly on your slightly wet hair, and then massage the hair from roots to tip until bubbles come out. Avoid contact with eyes, and then spray some water once again and rub your hair to make bubbles. Rinse it with water. So use 1 pack for short hair and 2 or more packs for longer hair. I'll just put this aside and slightly wet my hair guys, as based on the instruction. So I am actually going to take a bath anyway, so let me just wash my hair for a few more minutes and then I'll be right back so we can then apply this on our hair. Okay, and I actually don't have a scissor in here, but it comes with 1 glove which I will be using later on. Oh no, there are 2 gloves, so good thing there are 2 gloves. And then maybe I can just open this without using a scissor. Okay, good thing there is a slight crack on the side. And of course I cannot open it, so maybe I will just look for a scissor or something very sharp and, you know, try to open this one. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I use a nail cutter and I was actually able to open it. Okay, so let me just go ahead and wash my hair, guys. My hair is now slightly wet, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get, I don't know, a towel. Okay. Yeah, towel to dry my hands so I can put the gloves on. Yeah. I'll put the gloves on. Alright. And then get the products. Oops, okay. And based on the instruction, so just massage it on your hair from the roots to the tips until the bubbles comes out. Okay. Yeah, bubbles. And I think I will need the 2 sachet, guys, so we'll see. My hair is actually starting to dry, guys. This is a chemical, and it's natural that your hair will really dry out if you are doing this. So that's why after dyeing your hair, you make sure that you put in some or a lot of conditioner, and I can really feel that the hair is now getting drier and drier. I'm now opening the second one. The gloves. And let me just open this. So let me just slightly add water to my hair, guys, because right now it's too dry. So okay. And then I will add the second one. And I think I am done. Keep it on your hair for 20 to 25 minutes. Keep longer in case of oily hair. So, okay, I'll do 30 minutes and then spray some water once again and rub your hair to make bubbles. Rinse it with water. Okay? Alright, so guys, I will leave this on for 30 minutes because like I said, I have an oily hair today. Because I wasn't able to take a bath this morning. Wag kayong judgmental, walang water sa amin kanina, so I had no choice. So yeah, so I'll just leave it on and I will be right back. Hi guys, so I have 15 minutes more, and just to give you an update, so this is what it looks like right now. I'm feeling kind of itchy, and I feel like I wanted to, scratch my scalp so bad, but I think I will have to endure this for the next 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take a bath right after this. I will be showing you the results as soon as my hair is dry. And while waiting, guys, I have watched the halftime show of Shakira, who is, by the way, 43 years old, and Jennifer Lopez, who is also at 50 years old, and her daughter sang with her Let's Get Loud. It was so amazing. So hands up to both ladies. Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? It's amazing, amazing performance. And yeah, so let me continue watching. This is actually the second time I watched their halftime show in YouTube. So, alright, I'll be right back. Bye for now. Hi guys, I'm back. So I have just actually completed taking a bath, and I spent a little bit time resting while waiting for my hair to dry. I don't have a blower in this hotel room, so I just kind of let it dry naturally, and it is actually already 6 p.m. so it's kind of I don't have any sunlight yet, so I'm sure you would see the hair color when there is really bright lighting. So I'm in the bathroom now as usual, and at least here the light is white. The light color is white, and like in the room where it's kind of yellowish. So I'm just going to move closer to where the lighting is so you can see my hair color. And my hair is very smooth now, like I can comb it using my hand, and like earlier it was so dry, like it feels like a broomstick. So good thing I purchased a conditioner as well from Hair Flicks. So this is a keratin protein conditioner. As you can see guys, since my base hair earlier, my base color was black, and I have oily hair, so it kind of like did some color changes on my hair. And I like it because it's not too brown, it's not too black as well, so it is kind of neutralizing my face. It's not that we bleach our hair, right, and really achieve the light brown color that we were trying to achieve, because we did not, right? So it was just actually a hair dye shampoo that although it says permanent, but I'm sure it'll eventually wash off after a couple of months. I don't welcome the idea of bleaching my hair yet, because I have hair fall problems for the last couple of months, and I'm sure moms out there could relate. There are a lot of changes that our body will go through, and hormonal changes will usually, the side effect of that is usually hair fall for women, at least for women. And I used to have really thick hair, but because of some hair fall issues, so my hair is not as thick as how it was before. My preference is just really subtle hair colors, and maybe in the future I will try bleaching my hair so I can really achieve the color that I wanted. But so far this is my preference, and so far I am loving the hair dye. And what I liked about it is it's very easy, it's very cheap, and you just have to actually spend at least an hour to do it yourself. And then you don't have to spend like thousands of pesos going to the salon and waiting there and have someone do it for you. So as you know, I'm a DIY mom, and I love doing my hair color myself. And so far this is my kind of preference. And earlier, as you can see guys, from the start of this video, my hair is black. So maybe tomorrow morning, once there is already a sunlight, I will take a video of my hair so you can see how it is when there is a natural lighting. Alright, hey guys, so just a sneak peek of my hair color. I'm right now in front of the sunlight. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah. Okay. So my hair is a little bit wet, but this is how it looks like near the sunlight. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to share the love, guys. Share this video, share it to your friends, share it to your social media account. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe to this channel as well while you're here. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so that you guys will be updated with new videos from this channel. So thank you guys so much, and see you on the next one. Bye.